Hello, everybody, and welcome to J&D. Today, I'm super stoked to introduce you to a must-have addition to your audio setup, the J&D RCA audio cable. This is not just only a cable; it's a powerhouse designed to deliver unparalleled audio quality and connectivity. Versatility is the name of the game here. With a 2 RCA male to 2 RCA male configuration, this cable is your go-to for connecting a variety of audio devices. Whether it's speakers, amplifiers, or other audio gear, the J&D RCA cable has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one.